Welcome to our latest listing in Munyaka. Munyaka is a complex situated in the Waterfall area and very central. You've got easy access to the highway. The complex itself offers many amenities. They're busy finalizing the Lagoon. There will be a lifestyle center, a clubhouse. You pretty much wouldn't ever need to leave the complex. It's state of the art and definitely a very, very good investment. The really nice thing about Munyaka as well is there are no transfer costs because it works on the 99-year lease. If you're not sure how that works, just give us a call so we can explain that in detail. So I want to show you around this apartment. It's beautifully, beautifully furnished, and yeah, this actually gives you a very good idea of what you could do to make this your own home. So obviously it's on the 3rd floor, it's the penthouse. So you come in, you've got your TV lounge, and it kind of flows into your dining room, kitchen area, all open plan, nice and spacious. One of the really nice things about this unit is that it's situated on the green belt, so you've got beautiful, beautiful views. So you're now on the double balcony, which is quite nice. It's very spacious. You can have outside patio furniture over here. You've got the built-in braai. It's really, really spacious, and you've just got stunning views. So you can sit out here and just relax and enjoy the greenery. Your sliding doors, which go onto your patio, you've got it from your lounge as well as from your dining room. So a lot of natural light, nice breeze opening out. Munyaka is definitely for first-time buyers, small families, and just people who want to lock up and go and to have all the amenities. It's absolutely amazing. And I just want to show you. So the appliances are all DeFi and they are included. So you've got a beautiful fridge, a washer, dryer, and your dishwasher. The stove is obviously also DeFi, and yes, all the appliances are included. Beautiful glossy white cabinetry, matte black taps. It's really, they've used state-of-the-art finishes. Okay, now I'm going to take you to this part of the house. You've got a full bathroom over here which services one of your bedrooms, and it can also be used as a guest toilet if you've got guests over. Beautiful color schemes, it's all very, very modern. So this is your guest suite or your second bedroom. And it also has access to a balcony. Lots of built-in cupboards. You've got 2 undercover parking bays for cars, and there's also visitors parking bays. Munyaka is definitely the place to be, and you need to try and get in now before the units are sold out, because I mean it's unique. Offering the Lagoon, it is definitely unique. It's honestly the place to be in Johannesburg. Okay, this is your main bedroom, ample cupboard space, ensuite with a shower, built-in vanity over here. And again, access to the balcony. Munyaka is really close to Mall of Africa. You are very central, as I did mention. You've got easy access to the highway, and everything is within a short driving distance vicinity. It's really an amazing place to be. So please phone us to arrange a viewing.